Look at all one other.
Ready to go? So I got this car on the road and running yesterday. Got about 50 miles on it. And now we're gonna go leave for the Gambler 500 in the Adirondacks. We'll give you a tour of the car later because we're kind of late. Anyways, let's go. Is that it?
Oh no, get in there. What the hell's this? What's this? Oh no! Oh, we're gonna freeze!
The windows didn't
It's gonna be 50 degrees!
It didn't fit.
What happened?
It's not good. So we didn't make it far. The ignition coil spark plug wire fell off.
Starting it off in true gambler fashion here.
Nobody's gonna steal my truck while we're gone. They're not exactly the same ends.
What about your other Toyota?
Other Toyota. Oh, that one? That might be the same. Not really, but we'll take it in case we got more problems. Alright, let's do this.
What's going on?
Good question. Well, our latch keeps coming undone. Not entirely sure why. That seems tight, right?
We're going gambling.
We're going.
We're going. Haven't been pulled over yet.
2 cops. That's 2 cops and we're good so far.
2 breakdowns.
There's that though. So quiet.
Yeah.
It's got a muffler.
Amazing.
It's running great. Sorta.
Are you ready for highway speed?
This thing's got a super low gear ratio. Lower than my other truck. So it's like 3,000 RPMs at 70.
Yeah, I won't be doing 70 anyways with this.
Okay, I can keep up there.
Yeah, it's a little dodgy.
I'm gonna put my headlights up.
How are you staying cool?
It's been pretty good. It's
Radiator in the back?
yeah, radiators in the rear.
Yep.
And it was having some temperature spikes for a little bit there.
Air pockets.
Yeah. So far it's been
Yeah, because this is almost higher than here.
yeah,
Maybe put the pillow over there.
Well, originally I had it on this one.
Yeah, that's where the thermostat housing is.
Well, no, the thermostat's there.
Oh, okay.
No, you were like 6 foot tall.
Sit in it. Not that bad. Once you get in, it's not that bad.
Yeah, no, my old lady said the same thing. I'm 2 kids deep.
Oh yeah.
It'll be fine.
Boy, those taillights look sweet.
They look good. Yeah. The whole thing is sweet, it really is. I just hope it didn't smash the front end too bad. See, I'll try it fucking gently. See if I can
Yeah,
bump it
it
out. light working. Yeah.
Drive on the road. That's why they made the roads. Alright, so it's day one at this year Gambler 500 event. We got stuck last night, just screwing around. It's probably not going to be the last time, but we can hope it is. His Jeep broke down, so we fixed that. Now we're rallying and we're going to go do the course. So, come along.
Yeah, see, the thermostat's not open. The thermostat side's full.
Yeah.
So I think we need to pull the thermostat out.
Yeah, baby. I just saw your guys' Facebook page list.
Oh, did you really?
Tell me more about that phone. Amphibious one?
So has this become your your company basically?
Kinda.
You do this whole time?
Yeah, well, I do it just a fab shop, mechanic shop, basically. Is
Yeah.
what's the primary. And this is the fun stuff. You know?
This is the best.
If you got the tools, you got to use them.
That was hot. Huh.
Steamy.
Well, that was a lot of air.
A lot of air. That was a lot of air.
If it keeps getting air in it though,
We've got an issue.
yeah, I believe so.
Well, our car broke, so now we're riding with Joe. That's
Thanks, Joe.
that's how
Hey,
it
you're
goes.
welcome. Glad to have you guys along.
It's all part of the gamble.
Yeah, we wouldn't let you ride in our car if you had broken down.
There was room.
Yeah, that would be a punishment, I think, to try and fit through that in your car.
Just take the rear glass
Maybe
off.
if you take the glass off and bolted the seat down.
See, I got all the water out, pulled all the plugs out, did all that shit.
So you did suck in water?
Yeah, I sucked in water, but it's got compression, everything's good, it's not locked up anymore, I don't have any spark. So I figured it was the PCM.
Probably because it's underwater.
Mhm.
Yeah. The problem is the PCM in these are like a plates,
Yeah.
and there's water gets in between the plates too, and you'll never dry it out. You can try, but
Well, you gotta put it in a bowl of rice.
right.
I did this one last year. I thought we came out over here. Yeah. No, it's not worth it being in food. Oh, no, I love it. It's my favorite.
Did you get any water in there?
Yeah, there's holes in it, so of course. His phone went down the transmission tunnel and he fished it out. He had it on headphone jack, luckily.
See ya. Good luck, guys. See you, boys. Yeah, I think that was an up drive. And I'm gonna
Tire.
Alright, so we finished the Gambler. We're on our way home now. The kit car went home on the rollback. This is what we were driving around in most of the weekend. I think we did maybe a couple 100 miles. Had a lot of fun. Picked up a bunch of trash and might have found some cool old cars to buy.
It was a good time. I mean, the adventure is part of the fun. It's fun seeing all the teams that help other people to get through trails after they broke down. People that might not even know each other. So that was a big part of it, I think. That's what I take away.
And the weather
Yeah.
held up until just now. We're going home. It starts raining.
Which is great to wash the mud off the Jeep.
Yeah, right.
It's a free car wash. So.
We treated ourselves a little bit here.
Oh yeah. All the sugar.